Hello everyone, let's make this bracelet today. This is a 4-strand round braid friendship bracelet. We're going to use hemp cord. This is a great opportunity to make a easy beginner friendly bracelet with 4 different colors. You could also make it all one color or vary it up, maybe use 2 or 3 colors. And you don't need a lot of materials for this. You're going to need 4 strands of any color you choose, any natural fiber that you'd like to use. In this case, we're going to repeat the same bracelet, and this is hemp cord. They are, this 4 pieces, 24 inches or 61 centimeters each. We'll also use tape, scissors, a measuring tape or ruler would be helpful too, a little bit of super glue, and sometimes I find the use of pliers to pull things tighter is helpful. So starting with your 4 strands, line them up evenly, and then what you're going to do is fold this over, I think right at about maybe 4 inches or so, and you'll make an overhand knot, and you'll leave a loop that is about half an inch. Here is a perfect opportunity to show how using the pliers might be helpful, because you can grab and pull and get a little bit better of a grip. Okay, and the loop that we're creating is small. Keep in mind what we're going to be closing at the end into this loop is just another overhand knot. Then you can clip away this excess. Makes it a little neater. And here's where you'll use a little drop of super glue. I'm going to save it until the end. You'll put a little drop where it can hold this knot in place a little bit better and just ensures that it doesn't come undone. Now we'll tape this down to our table or whatever your workspace is. And we'll just spread these strings out however they comfortably land. So you'll bring your left strand under the 2 in the center, and then back over that one. Okay, now this is your new placement. Then you'll take your right cord, bring it under the 2 that are now in the center, and bring it back over the one right next to it. Okay, then go back to the left cord. You'll take this cord and bring it under the 2 in the center, and then back over the one to its left. Then you'll move back to the right. You'll take this cord, move it under the 2 in the center, and back over the one next to it. Then back to the left. You'll take this left cord, bring it under the two in the center and back over the one next to it. And now you'll take this right cord, go under the two in the center and back over, and you'll just keep going, alternating left to right. So under the two in the center. Oops, I've come undone. And then back over the one next to it. Then the right will go under the two in the center and go over the one right next to it. And then I'll just continue. Okay, we're just about to finish up, so I'll show a few more. Now let's pinch it right there. So right where we finished off, we'll pinch it there, and we'll just do a very ordinary overhand knot. And then, you know, this is not adjustable, so you'll have to know how long you want it to be. You'll, you know, try it on your wrist or know how long you want it to be and measure it. So here's our overhand knot. We'll cut it right there. Add a little drop of super glue if you want to right there to keep it from unraveling. And take a look at the nice braiding. Such a nice way to show 4 colors. And you'll see that we have both ends done. And that'll be how you close it. Of course, if you want, you can make that maybe do another overhand knot to make it a little bigger. This should hold well. And there you are. Your hemp cord 4-strand round braid friendship bracelet. Thanks for watching. I hope you give that a try, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye.